So now we are doing the what you call it, the abdominal area, and we're gonna do the and there's a few muscles here too, and as you could see already, this is the external oblique, right? You can see the edge of it right here. So what we want to do is work on it and then just pretty much go around like this, uh, and then we'll reveal the deeper abdominal muscles after that. All right, my good friends. All right, very good. So what I will do, this one is showing me nicely, so I'm gonna just pick on that, pick on that. All right, pick on that, pick on that. Just to get access to the. Okay, let's see this. So yeah, I can do this. Pick on it a little bit, and then I pick on it. Okay, very good. So now, once I do this, I want to cut a little bit away from the, you know, uh, a little bit away from this deal here, from the muscle itself. I don't want to cut right on it. So I want to just leave just a little bit of connective tissue there, and then I put my probe in there, and then I'm just cutting like that, making sure that I'm staying away from the muscle. And you can see the cobwebs, meaning that you got the correct separation there, right? Okay, there you go. Okay, my good friends. Ding. So we're doing that, we're doing that, we're doing that. So we want to get through the whole cat today, and then we will then now go through and revise all the cats. All right, my good friends. Very good. All right, very good. There you go. There you go. Bing, bing. Alright, I'll get my blunt end towards the cat, and I am doing that. And you want to peel carefully because you know these muscles are very thin, and you see how it's going all the way around here. Oopsie, I wanna be in my movie. I wanna be in my movie. If I can see my connective tissue, then I can cut nice and easy because I can see it, and you can see where my muscle is going, like right there, right? So, go back to the blunt end towards the cat. Okay, very good. So we're peeling it off, like that, and then we're gonna go up here a little bit more. This is my Cypher humeralis that I'm entering here like that. Okay, so once we do this, it's gonna expose all the other muscles, and then including the rectus femoris in the middle. The rectus femoris is the equivalent to the one we call the six-pack in the human. That would be the rectus femoris. And you see the divisions for the six-pack in the actual cat as well. See what I'm saying? So there's that. All right, very good. Yep. Okay, and then peel it off. Peel it off nice and easy. Oh, you can begin to see the six-pack muscle. Bing, do you see that? Bing, and all that. It came out really well. So I am just gonna go ahead and remove connective tissues covering the muscle I was calling the six-pack muscle. So that will be the rectus femoris, rectus femoris. You see what I'm saying? So here, my good friends, so we're done here. So we get the external oblique, all right, and the external oblique covers partially the internal oblique. So you can see the internal oblique goes over here. See what I'm saying? So over here is still internal oblique, right? Because you see how this covers only up to here. So all this is internal oblique over here, and there's the external oblique. All right. So and you could see here there's this muscle here. You see what I'm saying? That is like this. Like that. So that is the transverse abdominis, and you could see the orientation of the muscles is going to be different from here, and you can see the orientation of these muscles is going to be different on the external oblique, and you can see the orientation of the internal oblique is also different, so they're running at an angle and in different angles, right? And then the rectus femoris is going to be running straight, like this. That's why it's called rectus, because rectus means straight. Okay, femoris, rectus abdominis, I'm thinking of the rectus femoris, the quadriceps. The rectus abdominis is going to be straight, and it's going to be running like that. And then that's the muscle here. So this over here, you could see the six-pack divisions here. See there, and then there, and then there. So that's the rectus abdominis. So if the arrow is pointing towards the middle, rectus abdominis. If it's kind of pointing towards this area here, you can see this sort of triangular area here. Okay, so that will be the transverse abdominis. And if over here, this will all be internal oblique. Okay, and then this one is the flap is the external oblique. So usually in the exam I choose two of those muscles. Obviously I'll choose an oblique and an abdominis one, just so that it's not too boring. Okay, for the exam, and that's it. So there'll be 2 for here, and then there'll be 4 for the ventral trunk, 4 for the arm, and then like 8 or something, 7 for the back. Okay, and the 8 for the back, and then like 7 for the the hip, thigh, and the butt and leg area. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this off so that, and then I'll conclude the abdominal dissection, and then we shut down the video. Can you shut down the video for me, please, my good lady? How's it being like that?